K is for kite, kite, kite. K is for king, king, king. K is for kettle, kettle, kettle. K is for key, key, key.